Hello, Velvet.
Yes.
I need your help.
Welcome, Loyalty Squad. This is the Velvet Locks coming back to you with another powerful weight loss video for you today. In this video, I'm going to show you how to lose 10 pounds in 7 days on this dandelion root detox tea. And this is for fast weight loss. This is going to really bring your weight down. You are going to shrink fast. This is a diuretic and you drink this tea throughout the day. Now I just want to give you a few benefits of why you should be drinking dandelion root tea. Number one is this tea is a natural source of energy, and it is usually compared to drinking black coffee, making coffee the thing of the past. You will have more energy drinking dandelion tea. Number two is it can help with eyesight. Now, because it is rich in beta-carotene, means that it improves your vision. Beta-carotene is found in carrots. Now, this won't fix bad eyes, but it can strengthen them and keep them from getting worse. A number three reason is it is rich in vitamin C. And vitamin C is very necessary for a healthy immune system. So drinking this will help to boost your immune system. Number four, it's a healthy source of fiber. Now, fiber is needed for much more than just for energy. 1 cup of dandelion tea is a healthy source of fiber. So instead of taking a fiber supplement, drink a cup or two each day, and this will help your body to work the way it's supposed to. Number five is it helps boost potassium. Potassium is one of those nutrients most people don't think enough about, but without it, your body can have muscle aches and pains, heart palpitations, vomiting, and even more. So if you are tired of eating bananas, have a cup of tea instead. Number six is it can help with anemia. If you're suffering from anemia, you know how hard it is to manage life when you're tired and not feeling well. Dandelion tea is rich in iron and has a higher source of beta-carotene than carrots. This means it's great for helping to keep anemia away. Number seven is it can help with depression. Depression can sometimes be caused by low magnesium levels, but dandelions can help it. This is rich in magnesium, which helps put you out of that funk. So talk to your doctor before you stop taking any medicines and try dandelions. Adding them to your regular treatment may be the best remedy. Number eight is it boosts your immune system. I've already mentioned that dandelions are rich in vitamin C, but they're also rich in zinc. The combination of vitamin C and zinc is the best way to boost your immune system, making sure that your body is able to fight off infections and bacteria. Number nine is it's a great source of protein. Protein is needed for building healthy muscles, and drinking more dandelion tea is a great way to get more protein in your diet. Drinking dandelion tea has more protein than eating spinach. Number 10 is it aids in digestion. One of the many benefits of dandelions is that it helps to promote healthy digestion. It helps to stimulate stomach acids, which not only help your food to digest easier, but can also help you lose weight and detox your body if your body needs it. Number 11 is it helps with proper kidney function. Like I mentioned, dandelions can help your body to detox and remove waste, which means it is great for helping to regulate proper kidney function. It helps your body to remove waste, salt, and even excess water through your kidneys, not only helping them to work better, but also helping you to feel better. Number 12 is it improves liver function. Again, dandelions has a sort of detoxifying effect and can help improve your liver function by removing toxins. If you're a person whose body is full of toxins in a way that makes you feel sick, this is another way to remove them from your body, helping you to feel much better. Number 13, dandelion tea helps to fight aging. If you're showing signs of aging, one of the benefits is that it can prevent damage to your cells from free radicals that cause those symptoms of aging. You can drink the root in a tea, eat the leaves in a salad, or add the flower to a jam or bread. It's a good way of drinking and eating your way to looking young. Number 14, it can help with diabetes. This can help lower blood sugar and regulate insulin levels. Number 15, it can help to normalize cholesterol. If you're struggling to keep your cholesterol at a normal level, you'll love this benefit of dandelion. It has the ability to control lipid levels, which can help to raise your HDL levels. If you're unfamiliar, HDL is the good kind of cholesterol. And the last reason why you should be drinking dandelion tea is it helps with pain and inflammation. Now, if you're living with pain or inflammation, you will want to pay close attention to this last benefit, okay? Dandelion is full of antioxidants, phytonutrients, and essential fatty acids that can help to reduce the amount of inflammation in your body. The combination of these three reduce swelling, inflammation, and pain. It also helps with not only chronic pain issues, but also diabetes, sleep, and also other issues as well. So see there, you need to be drinking dandelion tea every day because your body will be so much better with it. This is a diuretic drink, and this is going to help to remove the retention of water and bloating. You're going to drink this entire tea throughout the day. This is going to suppress your appetite because you are feeling full. You're basically full with water, and that means you will not be having the desire to eat. So this is going to work perfect. You won't be snacking either, all right? So let me show you the ingredients you're going to need to get this started. I'm going to start off with our first ingredient, which is 1 liter of water. I'm just going to put that in the pan to start boiling. Alright, next you're going to need 1 whole lemon. The lemons is going to help to support normal digestion, your kidney and liver function, and its excellent vitamin C source. You're also going to need your dandelion root. Okay, now these are dandelion. Yeah, this is like the dandelion tea leaves. If you don't have the dandelion loose tea, you can actually purchase the bags, okay, the dandelion tea bags. Okay. And lastly, our cranberry. Now try to get a natural cranberry that doesn't have any sugar in it, just natural juice. But if you don't, you can always use ocean spray or something with less sugar. And this is loaded with antioxidants, which is going to help to flush your kidneys and intestines from the toxins. So your cranberry is really good. It's going to help you to pee a lot. And that's what we're working with today. So what we're going to start off with now, I would say you will find this down below, but you can find dandelion tea pretty much in any of your health food stores, your Trader Joe's. Do they even exist anymore? I think they do. Okay, your Trader Joe's, your Whole Food stores, and even in your supermarket in the tea section. And basically you're just going to use 1 tablespoon. And this is what dandelion looks like. Looks like just regular trees and sticks and twigs. Okay. We'll put that in our pot. And then we're going to just bring our water to a boil. Here guys, so I am back. And now what I'm going to do is pour this into a container. Alright, let me try to do this properly. You can also make a batch of this, so you don't have to just make a portion each day, because this portion you have to drink for the whole entire day, throughout the day. Okay, so now I'm going to take my cranberry juice and only put in 1 tablespoon. That's it. Okay. And lastly, I'm going to take my lemons and squeeze it right directly into the container. Two tablespoons of your lemons. Okay, and that's it, you guys. So what you're going to do is you're going to drink this throughout the day until it's finished, and then you're going to repeat the process again the next day. So it's probably best that you make enough for maybe the week and just store it into a bigger container, and this way you don't have to kick it every single day. Alright, so there you go, you guys, this wonderful fat burning drink that's going to flush your system out, that's going to shrink it down, get rid of that water weight retention, going to get rid of the bloating, and it's going to flush out your kidneys, and you're going to start to slim down. Do this each and every day. Your stomach is going to be flatter. Alright, so thank you so much for joining me on this wonderful video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below. Share these videos with your friends and family who are also on a weight loss journey, as well as check down below in the links in the eBay store for these wonderful herbs and spices and also honeys that's going to boost your body up, strengthen your body, help you to lose that weight. Okay, also check in my Amazon affiliates link for the links for the full size and personal size blenders, as well as these wonderful metal straws and so much more. All right, and check out my other channel, Velvet Vlogs, where you will see hair care, skincare, family challenges, and vlogs. All right, so you guys, don't forget, your big sis and auntie loves you, and I will see you again in the next video. Welcome, YouTube family. This is the Velvet Locks introducing to you my new channel, and this channel is called Velvet Vlogs. On this channel you will see hair videos, skincare videos, as well as family vlogs. Okay, so check it out, go down below, click those links, and subscribe, as well as turn on your notification bell, and I will see you there.